Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how you can use the PN and NP instruction in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software. And here we will create a new program. Any PLC which you have, you can select and click enter and click OK. Appearing this window, after you can select first input address LD X0, and after you can use that PN instruction or NP instruction. There is a here also you can choose from this area, or otherwise you just only type NP and after you will find this instruction. And next, which you like to be operate, for example out M0 and click enter. And here open contact of the M0 LD M0 when you write, and after any hardware output you can select means out Y0, and here we will give the one open contact of the Y0 to hold the Y0 LD Y0 put and make one branch way to the main line. And this small program we will first compile and after write to the PLC. As finish this, after make the simulation on and put the PLC in run mode. Now when simulator is green, after you can think your PLC is now in run mode. Now what will be happen, this is we used NP instruction, and as we give the signal at X0, you can see your Y0 is now on. Because of this is just one scan cycle time of the PLC that will be giving the positive edge to this Y0, and after your Y0 is on. So we'll stop the simulation, and against this, if we use this PN instruction, after again download to the PLC and click it OK and make the simulation on, and as you will be give the signal, you see now signal is ready, but this Y0 is not on. Why not on? Because of we used now negative edge. Negative edge means NC contact, and when you only just when make it set off, after your Y0 will be on, means this will be change the polarity of your output. If you put PN, that will be giving the positive edge, and when you give NP, this will be giving the negative edge. So this can be used in program. This is look like also a rising edge, look like a rising edge. And again I will stop this one and I will show you this instruction, help positive contact to negative contact. Means what he says in explanations, when the conditions preceding PN command change from true to false. If you put this one, for example PN, after true to false, it will be change the polarity to the false. Or if you use NP, after this will be change the polarity in false to true. PN command works as a contact A will be on for a scan cycle. In the next scan cycle, it turns off. Means why I am using this here for holding, because of this is the small scan time. If I not use hold, make it hold y0, it will be not show anything here, and just small scan time and it will be on and just off, look like a rising edge. This is called also, this is rising edge point. And if we use this one NP, you can see NP, and this is, we will go to the help instruction, see negative contact to positive contact, means it change the polarity from negative to positive. Same like when the conditions preceding NP command change from false to true, NP command works as a contact A will be on for a scan cycle. In the next scan cycle, it turns off. Very simple and very easy. It you can use in the program and practice this one, and it's very helpful. Any in the program where is using look like sensors have to be some conveyors or something running. After you put this one rising edge, after this will be worked as a negative to positive, means for somewhere you have your logic needs an even signal come after you like to be on your y0, and somewhere have look like an even signal giving after you like to be on your output. It's very simple and very easy. Again I will make the online, and one more time I will show you. Can see now it's turned on, and if we change this polarity to PN and OK, and compile and write to PLC, how many times you will be make the changes in your program, you have to be must first download, otherwise your previous program will be work or maybe not work. And make it set on, you can see your y0 is not on, and as you make it set off, your y0 will be on. So this command is used for polarity changing. If you need some signal to on with the single push, when coming any sensor or proximity sensor or whatever one you like to be used, when signal coming after you like to be make it on, after you can use this one PN, and if you like to be after coming, you can use the NP instruction. I hope guys you will be understand about this NP and PN command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.